Hello students, how are you? Did you enjoy your holidays? I did, I really enjoyed them and rested a lot. So this is this week's activity. I'm going to explain it to you so it's clearer. Here we have a reading comprehension activity. We're also going to do listening comprehension activities, okay? So for reading, remember we were taking haunted houses or haunted homes, right? That's the next unit. Estamos viendo las casas embrujadas, right? So before we start talking about haunted homes, we need to make sure we know everything about houses. So we can describe houses and we can describe homes. This is what this reading is about. So here we have Iris and Amanda. It says meet Iris and Amanda. I don't know if you've ever seen this movie. It's a very, very famous movie. And it's a very interesting movie as well because it's related to something that an activity that takes place internationally. Which is called home swapping. The movie is called The Holiday, and here we have a text about a dialogue, right? So home swapping in different countries means that you contact someone from a different part of the world and you change homes, you swap homes, right? So if I know someone from Argentina and I want to travel to Argentina, we change our houses. So I go to my friend's house and he or she comes to my house, right? And I stay there and he or she stays here. That's home swapping, es cambiar hogares, right? So the movie is about this. And we have two main characters, which are Amanda and Iris, right? So you're going to read the text carefully. You read the text and you're going to fill in this box. It says, read the chat. We already read the dialogue of Amanda and Iris, and they don't give the same information. So Amanda has some pieces of information related to her home, and Iris have different ones. So we're going to tick the cells that with the information that you can fill in according to the text. So vamos a leer el texto. You're going to read the text. And you're going to say, okay, type of house, Amanda. Does it say the type of house in the text? Si en el texto se menciona, vamos a hacerle un ticket y lo vamos a completar. But what happens if Iris doesn't mention her type of home? So in that case, le vamos a poner una cruz, right? Si en el texto no sale nada sobre la casa de Iris, le ponemos una cruz y no llenamos nada. Pero si sí nos aparece información, le hacemos we do a ticket and we complete with the correct information, okay? So, number one, lo primero que tienen que hacer es verificar. Leen el texto, van al texto, and you check what information do you have here and that allows you to fill, right? I have the city, I don't have Iris' city, I have Amanda's personal description, I don't have Iris' personal description, right? And then you complete. Y el número dos, paso número dos, you complete with the information. Good. And then we have a listening activity. So here you have the listening. Remember, you have to play there.
Hello, my name is Iris.
You're going to be
I
able
am an
to
English journalist.
listen. So you're going to listen to both characters. You're going to guess who lives where. So we have two pictures here, one house and another house. So you will have to listen and guess, adivinar, who lives where, right? So you listen to the girls and you write the names. Pueden escribir los nombres acá. So I think Iris lives here. I think this is Iris' home. And I think this is Amanda's home. I don't know. My opinion. Yo creo. No lo he escuchado, así que no sirve mi respuesta. Good. Then you're going to listen again. You're going to listen again. And you're going to fill in this chart. It's a short chart. It's not as big as it looks like. So we have here. You listen. Ponen el play acá. Escucha lo que quiere decir el audio. Es el mismo audio. And we have Iris' information and Amanda's information. So, how many rooms can you find in Iris' information? And how many rooms in Amanda's house? So, you would say, well, Amanda says that there are 5 rooms in her house. And Iris says that there are 7 rooms in her house. I don't know, right? So how many? There are 3 rooms, or there are 7 rooms, or there are 6 rooms. I don't know. And then you have to write what rooms are we talking about. So we have the first letters. Do we have a living room? Do they have have a bathroom? Do they have a garden? Do they have a kitchen? And so on and so forth, right? So you'll try to listen, van a tratar de entender qué habitaciones o qué espacios tienen estas casas, la de Iris y la de Amanda. Y cuántos, right? Cuántos. Good, and in the end, you're going to circle the positive adjectives that you hear, right? So you have cute, fantastic, modern, beautiful, large, comfortable, focus on pronunciation, cozy, calm, great, and luxurious, right? So you listen again and you circle the ones that you think are good adjectives, positive adjectives. Adjectives that you would like to use to describe in a positive way, right? And you leave aside y dejan de lado, no encierran lo que son negativos, lo que no son tan positivos, right? Now, if you realize, si lo notaron, el paso número 2 y el paso número 3 son, que aparecen aquí, listen and list the rooms and classify the adjectives into positive and negatives. Son estas actividades en realidad. Son esta y esta. Por lo tanto, el número 2 y 3 son este 3 y este 2. ¿Ya? Ojo ahí. Good. Para que no lo hagan 2 veces. Acá en esta diapositiva vamos a hacer solo el número 1. Solo el número 1. Y el 2 está en la diapositiva siguiente y el 3 está en la diapositiva siguiente. Ojo, para que no se confunda. Good? Great, guys. I hope you've understood everything that you've had to do and that you work out pretty well all of the exercises. If you have any questions or doubts, write to me ASAP. I'll be waiting for your emails and your answers. And again, you can work either on Nearpod or you can write your answers on a notebook. It's the same for me. Pueden escribir sus respuestas acá en Nearpod y mandarlo a través de Nearpod, o pueden escribir sus respuestas en un cuaderno y mandar las fotitos. Good? That's it. Thank you so much. And see you in class on Thursday, and we will check this thing. Bye bye. Take care and thank you.